Hi guys, welcome to another new video from IIT Bioinfo. I am Surujit Jalik, your mentor. In this video, I will discuss about syllabus of the GATE Humanities and Social Science paper. Yes guys, IIT Bombay has released GATE information brochure. You will get every detail and every information about GATE paper, and you can get every details about new GATE paper also. But guys, in case of humanities and social science paper, that subject is new to GATE exam, and this new GATE paper actually for those subjects like history, geography, economics, English, linguistics, philosophy, sociology, and so on. Actually guys, there is no particular information, authentic information in the website. So that is the reason actually I want to help you by giving latest information about HSS paper. Already I have discussed the exam dates and pattern of question paper. And those who are new to my YouTube channel, please guys like and share my videos, because your friends can get valuable and authentic information through these videos. And please guys subscribe my channel IIT Bioinfo, so that you can get more videos like this. Okay guys, I want to tell you once again, because I want to help you. Dates of GATE exam 2021, the dates are actually from 5th to 7th February and 12th to 14th February. And this exam actually completely will be computer based exam, and total duration is 3 hours. HSS paper has 6 optional subject, and these subjects are economics, English, linguistics, philosophy, psychology, sociology. Already I have discussed about it, and there will be 3 parts. Out of 3 parts, 2 parts are compulsory parts and third part is optional part. And I have discussed all of these in my previous video. Please go and check my videos also. Actually first 2 parts are general aptitude parts and reasoning and comprehension part, and third part is optional part. Okay guys, general aptitude parts will contain 15 marks question, and reasoning and comprehension contain will contain 25 marks, and optional subject contain 60 marks. Actually guys, there will be 61 marks question in optional subject. So guys, now I will tell you about the syllabus of general aptitude parts. Okay guys, actually general aptitude part contains several chapters like verbal part, quantitative part, and analytical part, and spatial aptitude parts. Guys, all of you who are preparing or little bit of familiar with the government competitive exam, actually you can get this question format from the different competitive books. Okay guys, in case of verbal aptitude, in this case there will be basic English grammar like tense, articles, adjective, preposition and conjunction, verb noun agreement, and other parts of speech, basic vocabulary like words, idioms, and phrases, all of this like English grammatical portions. In case of quantitative aptitude parts, there will remain data interpretation like different types of graphs, bar graphs, pie chart, and other graphs related, data related problems, and different numerical problems like ratios, proportion, percentage, power roots, logarithms, permutation, combination, series, mensuration, geometry, and statistics and probability also. In case of analytical aptitude parts, there will be remain different types of analogical problem, numerical relation, and reasoning part. In case of spatial aptitude parts, there will be problem related to transformation of shapes like rotation, scaling, and assembling, and grouping, paper folding, cutting, etc. So all these question related to spatial aptitudes actually uh, graphical problems, actually not all, actually not graphical, actually different figure related problem. Okay. Okay guys, now I'll discuss about the one more important part of humanities and social science paper, that is reading, reasoning and comprehension. And in this part there will be remain different parts, and from that parts the question will be asked. So guys, and for this part you can consult different competitive exam like GRE exam, GMAT exam, and SAT exam, CAT exam. You can check in different websites and go, you can google this term and get some idea about reasoning and comprehension. Okay. This exam actually contain a part related to reasoning and comprehension part. Okay. You can read all the parts, and you can pause, actually you can pause the video uh, if you want to know more about this, and read the part and passage. You will get more idea to by reading this part. Okay. And if you want to get some suggestion about books that is related to reasoning and comprehension, I can suggest you for this. You can comment in my comment box. Okay. uh, Actually guys, I want to help you. Okay. Please guys, those who are new in my YouTube channel, please like and subscribe and share my videos so that all candidates will get more and more valuable authentic information. Just guys, subscribe my channel, and because it will help me to prepare this video like this, and it will motivate me. Okay. That is why please subscribe my channel guys. Okay guys, thank you and all the best.